The topic of today's video is how to earn USDT in Binance or get free USDT or make money on Binance. So we're going to get right into it. Binance has earned programs like its flexible savings. You deposit your USDT into Binance's flexible savings account and you earn daily interest. This option allows you to withdraw your funds at any time without penalties. Then we have locked savings. For higher interest rates, consider locked savings, where you commit your USDT to a fixed period ranging from 7 days to several months. Next up is Launch Pool, which allows you to stake your USDT in Binance to earn new tokens from upcoming projects. While the rewards are in tokens, you can convert them to USDT on the spot market. Then we have the Binance referral program, which allows you to share your unique referral link with friends. And when they register and complete verification, both you and your friend earn referral bonuses in USDT. Then we have the Learn and Earn section. You participate in Binance's educational programs where you can learn about blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Completing these courses and quizzes can earn you USDT rewards. And then lastly, we have liquidity farming. Add your USDT to liquidity pools on Binance to support trading activities. In return, you earn a portion of the trading fees generated by these pools. So there you have it. There are all the known ways to earn USDT on Binance. As with anything when it comes to crypto and just crypto in general, please be cautious. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.